Hey everyone, ready to dive into the world of trading and make it fun? Great! I'm here to help you get started with Webull, the platform that'll have you trading with a smile in no time. And hey, don't forget to click on that link in the description below for a special offer. Alright, let's get to it. First things first, you'll need to download the Webull app. Head over to the App Store or Google Play, type in Webull, and hit download. Easy peasy, right? Once it's done, open the app and click on Sign Up. Now you'll need to create your account. Enter your email, choose a password that's not password 123, and verify your info. You'll get a confirmation email, so check your inbox and click the link to activate your account. We're already cruising. Next up, it's time to fund your account. Click on the Webull logo at the bottom, tap Deposit, and link your bank account. Follow the prompts and boom, you're ready to add some funds. Remember, investing means putting some money on the line, so start small and only use what you can afford to lose. No one wants to trade their rent money. Now let's talk about navigating the app. At the bottom, you'll see several tabs: Watch List, Markets, Community, Messages, and Menu. The watch list is where you can keep an eye on your favorite stocks. You can add a stock by searching for it in the search bar at the top and tapping the Add button. Simple. Curious about what's happening in the markets? Tap on the Markets tab for a quick overview. Here you'll get insights into major indices, gainers, losers, and more. It's like the stock market gossip column. Feeling a bit social? The Community tab is where you can connect with other traders, share tips, and maybe find your next big trade idea. Just don't fall for the hot stock tip from that one guy who swears he's never wrong. All right, let's place a trade. Go back to your watch list, pick a stock you're interested in, and tap on it. You'll see a trade button at the bottom. Click it, choose the quantity, and select Buy. Double-check everything and swipe up to confirm. Congrats! You just made your first trade. Lastly, keep an eye on your investments by clicking on the Menu tab and then My Positions. Here, you can track how your stocks are doing and decide if it's time to buy more or sell. Remember, patience is key. And there you have it. You're all set to start trading on Webull with a big smile. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special offer and happy trading. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye for now.